Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Reagan's World, Reagan's World, Reagan's World, with you guys, with Jasmine, with mini candy sushi. So let's go ahead and start eating. And I got water. This is the perfect thing because I can't eat sushi, but I love stuff. Better be good. I wish you guys could smell this. Oh, and the best part about it is that my favorite kind of candy is gummies. Okay, so it comes with 2 candy niggies. It's some kind of Chinese or something. I don't know how to pronounce that. And then there's 2. Okay, so there's like little fish marshmallow things, and there's 2 little things, candy koi kochi. Yep. Then those are gummies and stuff, and then here's marshmallows with candy on them, which are like the salmon things, I think. Candy California rolls. Sorry guys if I'm pronouncing this wrong. And there's these weird, I think they're like fish egg things. Candy Ikura. And one of these candy Dramaki. So this is what it looks like. Fancy. 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 They literally just used like orange marshmallows. So I guess the first one would be the fish. It's a marshmallow. I hate orange, so I mean, it's different. I wouldn't say it's bad, but I wouldn't say it's delicious. No, I don't think I would really fully say it's great. I mean, it's good, but they just don't go together. Like, the gummy's hard, and the marshmallows are really soft. Okay. I mean, it's good. This would be so much better if it was not orange. You can tell how it's not. It's like the shark gummies, but harder. Well, it's actually pretty good. I like it. Wouldn't say it's the only candy I'll ever eat. Next are the contained one. Containered. Let's first start with the sauce. It tastes kind of like Coke. Wait. It's good, and then it's got an odd taste after. Like the aftertaste is weird. That's pretty good. So far, I give the marshmallow, and you know the marshmallow little thing, a 3 out of 5, and this kind of 3 out of 5. Let's say a 2.5 because it's good, but then it has a really weird flavor. So gummies. Ooh, they have two of each. Let's see. Ooh, they're very squishy. They're red. If you know me, you know what red does to me. Sour. 2 out of 5. I mean, I don't know. 3, 4. They're good. They're pretty good. They have a good aftertaste. They're weird and then a good aftertaste. So let's try these. Ooh. And this is actually one of my favorite candies, but they're a lot smaller and they're different colors, so. Oh, and these are berry. I don't know what kind of flavor, but they're berry. That ruined my favorite candy. The gummy. Well, the sprinkles taste horrible. The gummy is good. Now it's time for the marshmallow. Why are they orange marshmallows? Oh, this is kind of sticky. Wait, let me just say that stuff on it is sour, marshmallow, very sweet. They kind of go together. They both have different flavors. I don't like the brown one. I think it's strawberry and Coke. Not sure. I saved the best for the last. Hopefully the best. It's got a freaking gummy bear in it. Let me just say that. Oh, it's sour. One gummy soft, one gummy hard. Let me just go barf and I'll come back. Okay, so it wasn't that bad, but it wasn't great. I used to watch those videos and people reacting and stuff like that, and I just always wanted it. And it's not amazing, but it's not disgusting. It's not fully great, but it's not fully bad. It's not really good, but it's not good. So it's just in the middle. I guess it's good. Maybe you'll like it better. My taste buds change every 2 months. Yeah, I'm a weirdo. Bye guys.